Usumbut Menteri ng Baka Jala Wak Prestun Dunsong Mentakas Ngiul ang Baka Damal Asim Police Station kadai ke Belamang Kerpang Daka Sorkar haka arpratrik Unailar Arajar Kanyo. Hadin 4 lapli paj ba yaka haka arpratrik Unailar Arajar Kanyo. Haba juba mi kajingkli jong nong tauan na dedengre rupa marak utensong ulang walaupun pau baka jaka keputa balabo ya ke police station hadamal Asim kadai balano senyang sungobha da unokma kabal penting kena bag ni ke police station kan don serta ha kene ke than.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to sir question 175. Sir, the police station at Damal Asim was created and notified by the government on 23rd August 2017. B, sir, the police station at Damal Asim was inaugurated on 28 August 2017. C, sir, the land was donated by the Nokma for setting up of the police station at Damal Asim.